ever wish your phone could automatically switch to driving mode the moment you hit the road? No distractions, just a smooth ride. Okay, Google, take me to Target in Clark.
Okay, Target, here we go. Feet, merge onto Garden State Parkway South.
Alright, let's try this. Okay, Google, call my son Kelvin.
Okay,
Just a
calling my
smooth
son
ride.
Kelvin.
Driving mode. Whether you're using a Samsung, another Android phone, or even an iPhone, I've got you covered. Stick with me because I'll show you how to enable automatic driving mode. And if you don't have a Galaxy S22 Ultra, don't scroll away. I've included alternative steps for your device too. Stay till the end to find out. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Okay, now let's start with Samsung Galaxy users. Follow these steps. Okay, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and other models like that, all the Galaxies. So first you go to settings. I like to go in settings up here, and you scroll to modes and routine, and you tap driving. If you don't see it here, just add modes. Tap here, add mode, and then driving mode. All right, so start. Okay, so see what it says. Set driving mode to turn on automatically. You can turn this mode on manually anytime. It also turn on automatically if any of the conditions below are met. So let's select when I'm driving, right? You can choose to when this is connected, Android Auto is connected, or maybe when your Bluetooth device is connected. Any of these conditions when they are both met, and you set next. Use do not disturb to avoid distraction. So now so the last step that we just did, like you choose how to detect driving. If you so you can either detect Bluetooth connection like the car stereo, or if it detects motion detection or location. So we said that. Now you have to customize actions. So you can either mute notifications, auto reply to tests, or keep specific apps open. So you touch this do not disturb to customize it. All right, so do not disturb mute all calls. By default, do not disturb mute all calls, notification, and other alerts except for those you choose to allow. So this is where you make the customization. You tap these calls and messages. You can choose to allow calls. You can choose to, by default it's not gonna let any calls come in, but you can choose to allow calls for from contacts only, or if you set some favorite contacts, just that, or you can leave it at none. So the same with messages. You customize it what you want happen when you're driving. If you're driving and you don't want any calls coming in, you just want certain people to call you, you can leave maybe family just in case of emergency, that to let the call come in while you're driving, right? Then you tap save. Okay, yeah, for you here, for this one, you just exit out this page, and you can go to app notification. Okay, so you can add apps that you want to allow to to send you notification when you're driving, so otherwise it will mute all apps. So you tap that. You tap the app to select which app that can send you an alert. Maybe something is urgent that you really have to know. Like you select the app that's allowed to set you notification when driving mode is activated. And then if you select that, you just hit done, right? Now you hit done. When you set all these conditions, you hit done. All set. All right, so now whenever you start driving, your phone will automatically activate driving mode. Hold on, there's something I didn't tell you. When you set the driving mode, you can also select which what you want, open an app or do an app action. You can have it read notification aloud. You can have Bisbee. Bisbee is more like Google Voice. You can have Bisbee voice wake up. So when you go do that under settings, right? Okay, now, if you don't have a Samsung, if you have other Androids, Itel, Infinite, all of them, Motorola, all Android, right? If you have Android, no problem. You can use Google Assistant driving mode. You can use Google Assistant. So all you do is you go and open Google Assistant. First, if you haven't already set it up, I have a different video on how to do that. So when you driving, you can say, you can open to set it up. You say, you go open Google Assistant by saying, hey Google, and it will open the app. So you go to settings and you tap transportation and you select driving mode, and you can go to enable driving mode and set it to launch automatically when you connect to Bluetooth or start driving. You can customize it, enable voice control, navigation shortcuts, and auto reply messages. Done. Your phone will now switch to driving mode when you drive. So if you don't have a Samsung a walk drive mode, you can use Google Assistant. It will do the same job. For iPhone users, you use focus mode and driving detection. Okay, so here is how to set up driving mode on your iPhone. You open settings and you tap focus and you select driving, or you create a new focus mode. Under turn on automatically, choose when driving is detected or link it to car Bluetooth. Customize notification, auto replies, and allow contacts. Tap done and you're all set. Whenever you drive, your iPhone will activate driving focus mode to keep you distraction free. And that's it. No matter what phone you use, there's a way to automatically enable driving mode and stay focused on the road. Did this help? Hit that like button, share this with your friends, and subscribe for more smartphone hacks. See you in the next one.